Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to equip or unequip wall packs in Dress to Impress game on Roblox new winter update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The winter update has been released in Dress to Impress and there are a lot of changes guys. One of them is the wall packs location. Usually, if you want to equip or unequip your wall pack, you need to go to this menu and you can find the owned wall packs right here. But in this update, they have already changed the location. If you want to equip your wall packs, you need to go to the changing room and go to this menu, guys. This one and you will find the owned wall packs right here. And now I'm equipping the ice skating walk. Okay. Okay guys, and that's how you can equip or unequip walk packs in the Dress to Impress winter update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.